Hello, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Nothing Phone 3a Lite, and in this video let's discuss camera modes. So there are three modes that I want to tell you about. Those are night mode, motion mode and Ultra XDR mode. So let's begin with the night mode. When you are in your camera, you want to go to night mode, which is right here. So night mode is your best friend when the lights go down, when it's dark and you want to take a picture. Your phone will capture multiple images and your phone will combine them into one bright, clear and detailed photo. Okay, so then there is motion capture mode. You want to switch back to photo, and now in the top right go to this arrow icon. And here you will see this feature, motion photo. So let's enable it. And this motion capture mode is the mode for freezing action, let's say like this. So this mode is provided to take a photo of fast-moving subjects. So for example, in practical terms, it could be a car or I don't know, kids that are playing around and you want to take a picture of them. This is the case when you should use this motion photo mode. So in result, when you use motion photo mode, you will get clear and not blurry photos. Because if you would take a photo of fast-moving subject without this motion photo mode enabled, you will get simply blurry mess instead of normal photo, clear photo. Okay, and then there is Ultra XDR mode. If you want to enable it, you have to go to more settings. Now let's scroll down to photo section and now find Ultra XDR, where you can disable this feature or enable. So this XDR mode will make your photos look incredibly rich and detailed, especially when there is a big contrast between light and dark. So if you use this mode, the details on your photo will be visible and it gives your photos very professional and accurate look with nice colors and amazing contrasts. So yeah, that were the three main modes, camera modes, that I want to tell you about. So to sum up, night mode helps you to take pictures in the dark. Motion capture mode helps you freeze the subject, and Ultra XDR mode makes your photos look lifelike and dynamic. So that's it. I really hope that this video helps you, and if it indeed helped you, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.